Hey, gorgeous senoritas! Welcome back to my vibrant makeup universe. Today, we're diving face first into the fabulous and fierce world of Latina makeup. It's like the ultimate beauty hack, copy and paste Latina makeup. Before we plunge into this glamorous fiesta, hit subscribe right now. Don't miss out on the freshest, trendiest, and hands down coolest makeup tutorials. You want to be the first to try the latest trends, right? Trust me, keep your eyes glued till the very end because this makeup transformation is gonna blow your mind. Hun, it's that fabulous. Stay tuned and let's bring the stunning Latina vibes to life.
Purchase your tricks today. Purchase your tricks today. Purchase your tricks today.
So besties, hope you loved going Latina baddie with me today. Let's keep the glam going, hit like, subscribe, and drop a blue heart emoji if you made it this far. Can't wait to get
Purchase
stunning
your
with you
tricks
again.
today.
Stay amazing!